All right, so peel off your template plastic there. And then on the bottom piece, you're going to score the sides of it like that. On the side piece, again, peel off your plastic, you're going to score the three sides of it like this on the inside of it, not the bottom. Oh, now see, I made a mistake there. So I'm going to smooth that out because you want the top to be smooth. But the bottom, you're going to score on the inside there so that those two score marks will line up together. Scoring the side, and the bottom there. Same with the back piece. Decide which way is top and then score the sides and the bottom. And the top lid, you don't have to score. So you are going to put slip on both ends, both sides. Remember, that's how we glue things together. The bottom piece is going to lay down on the table, and the other pieces are going to butt up against it. Let me show you kind of from a different angle here so that you can see this. Putting this on a mat so that I can easily transport it and put my name on it. Scoring that side, because actually that side is going to be what butts up against there. Let me see if I can zoom in so you can see that. So see, that's going to go together. And then I'm painting the slip on to smooth out and really cement those edges. I need to score the end there, glue it, put slip to both glue and smooth all that out. And gently press those together. And then again, take my brush and smooth those corners out. Make sure that there's plenty of slip there and pinch the ends together there so that they will stay together. Adding a little bit more slip and smoothing it out. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Smooth it out. You don't want any rough spots. You want everything to be nice and smooth. If you have any burrs, they will actually be sharp, so after they're fired. So let's make sure you smooth everything out really well. The lid, you're going to leave the plastic on and just put the lid right on top like that. And then you're going to peel the tape off of your bag that has your name and your class on it, and just tape that right on to your mat. And then set that on the counter to dry.